Okay, in this video, I just searched online and I tried calling the company. They don't list a number and there's 0 directions in the box. However, I did figure it out, so I'm gonna hope to make this video in hopes to help you guys. This is a function first shift knob. You could see right here. This could only slide on this way or this way. So you're gonna notice when you screw the ball on, it's not level. It's not centered from where I want it to be. So I tried cranking it. I tried putting tape on it. I tried looking on the side. I'm like, all right, what the heck am I missing? I tried separating this. All the force I had, nothing. So I'm gonna show you the trick. So if you notice in the bag, there's some set screws, but look at the one right there. Why is that a little shorter? I'm gonna show you why that is. So the longer set screws are gonna be for the side. Right here and right here. That's for the long ones. But what about here? You notice there's this screw that I put on the top. What this screw does is you're going to put it on and you're gonna make some micro adjustments. So if you bring it out a little bit, the shift knob ball, the head, is going to bottom out on here. So if it's like this, I'm gonna wanna turn it in a little, and then I'm gonna take my small set screw, the short one, because if it's too long, it sticks out and it'll hit the shift knob. So you're gonna thread in the shortest one you have, and by threading this in, it's gonna stop this from moving, because right now I'm able to move it. So I'm gonna, off camera, just make some micro adjustments. Each micro adjustment, I'm gonna screw my ball head on, see how it is, which I'll show you right now. Let's just pretend this is good. So I would take my set screw, thread it in, lock it in, take my ball, thread it on, and if it's like this, I know to turn it a little more, and you're gonna continue to do it. Okay, so that's horrible. So it's actually the opposite way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, back the screw in or out a little bit, reset it, and see how it is. Okay, let's try that. Almost. I'm getting there. So ideally, this is what you need to do. So I hope this video helps you guys. It is a little frustrating, a little annoying with no directions, 0 customer support. So I hope this video does help you guys.